channel. Today I thought I'd do a quick review of the Char-Broil oilless fryer. I like this because one, there's no oil to deal with, no peanut oil. I had this one about 5 years, and once I've cooked turkey in this one, that was it, no going back. So one thing I wanted to talk about, no matter how you prepare your turkey, that if you use your injector, which I use this one, you want to make sure you inject all parts of the turkey. So if you inject the legs, the thighs, make sure you inject it to where you see right as it starts to plump up, then you notice that that section is filled. So even when you do the breast, you'll notice that that section is filled as it starts to plump up. And that way, as you go around the whole bird, you'll make sure that no matter what type of injection you use, it'll be the same taste all the way throughout the bird. So like I said, I use my metal injector, which I know a lot of, if you make your own flavor or injector, you can use. And the other thing about this one is it's easy cleanup. Like I said, it takes less than 10 minutes to clean it up. It has a drip pan that I'll show you once we get ready to start taking the bird out. And it's a propane, it uses propane. So other than that, once we get ready to take it out, I'll show you how it looks, how it cooks. And it cooks about 13 minutes per pound on the turkey. And I'll show you another thing that I like about it, which is the grill grate, and I'll show you how to use that. And that's basically to darken and crispy your turkey once it's done to your liking. So stay tuned, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll show you this bird as it starts to come out. Here we are just checking, and if you can see it, it's nice and golden brown, and we got a little ways to go, but you can hear it and see it. Nice and easy. The Char-Broil. All right, let's see what it looked like. We've done the temperature check, and basically that's what you get. If you want it any darker, you can actually put the cover over it and darken it up and crispy it up if you want, but that's basically what you get. So once the turkey is removed, then it's the cleanup, which is basically you get that cleaned out just like an oven. And over here is your drip pan where all your juices basically drain to. So that's everything for cleanup. So just wait till it cools off and do your cleanup and you're done. Turn your tank off. And that's it. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll have more upcoming videos. Talk to you later.